Various forms and degrees of anxiety affect a huge number of people of all ages, races, and genders. It is not a disease. In fact, this is perfectly normal for a human being. However, if the condition goes beyond normal and the attacks become frequent, it becomes a disorder. Anxiety disorder comes in various terms, such as panic attacks, anxiety disorder, and agoraphobia. Those who are suffering from it know they have a problem and are wondering about how to overcome anxiety in general. To know the solution, it is important to understand it first. Anxiety is a condition wherein a person suffers from intense feeling of fear. This causes grave mental and emotional stress. There are several ways to cope with anxiety attacks, such as the following. Control your thoughts. Anxiety is heightened by negative thoughts. When you always expect the worst, your fear overpowers you. As much as possible, develop a more positive outlook in life. Start the day with positive thoughts and expectations even if you are not sure of what awaits you. Talk about it. Spill all your crazy wonderings to someone you trust and discuss your anxieties as well. As the saying goes, a problem shared is a problem halved. When this happens, deal with the 50%. Anxiety cannot be eliminated fully, but a little amount is tolerable. People who suffer from anxiety disorder are those who lack peace of mind and often lack sleep. If you want to overcome your anxiety, stay fit, eat the right foods, and do some yoga if necessary. Your goal is to balance your mind, body, and spirit and eventually achieve peace of mind. Only then will you be able to manage fear. In cases of severe panic attacks, breathe deeply and slowly. This will help calm the feeling. Doctors recommend those who have agoraphobia to always bring a doggy bag with them so they can do their breathing exercises before panic sets in. Although it is not a good idea to depend on medication, some might help ease attacks such as selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors, SSRI. This includes Prozac and benzodiazepines, which is an anti-anxiety drug that helps lessen panic symptoms. It takes time before you can completely get over anxiety disorder. Medications are short-term solutions, while psychotherapy and behavioral therapies are long-term. You can have yourself admitted to centers that deal with such kinds of problems. Give yourself enough time to get rid of anxiety. Soon your anxieties will be just a memory. Know the cause to change your approach on how to overcome anxiety. Many people are having anxiety symptoms and have become stressed and have developed chronic panic attacks. Knowing the causes will help you in changing your approach on how to overcome anxiety. If you are dependent on medication and experience side effects, you can start to treat your anxiety more naturally when you are aware of what causes it. Causes of anxiety. Several factors can trigger and cause anxiety, and these factors can fall into any of these categories, based from WebMD. Physical, medical, drug effects, and stress related. If you are experiencing severe anxiety, it is best to consult your physician for diagnosis to rule out other medical conditions. Most anxiety symptoms are often stress related. Examples of these stress related triggers are the following. Schoolwork, social such as with attending gatherings and public speaking, relationship, financial emotional distress, and trauma among others. To overcome anxiety, you have to manage your stress. Some may even determine that they do not have any anxiety, but closer examination of oneself may conclude there is a serious condition that is present that needs to be addressed. Approaches. Depending on what causes your anxiety symptoms, you can choose to treat it using conventional approach, such as with medication, or with natural approach. You may want to start with natural treatment to avoid risks of side effects that usually accompany medication. Some medications can be addictive and combined with anxiety disorder and compulsion. Some medications may become a stress activated agent also. Besides, as mentioned earlier, not all anxiety disorders are medical related. Usually, the trigger is stress, and all you need to overcome the condition is to learn how to manage your stress. Some of the ways you can manage your stress and therefore reduce or eliminate your anxiety are to carry out relaxation techniques as well as to do simple yet regular exercises Learning how to relax your mind and body is useful in lowering your stress level. These relaxation techniques for anxiety will also help in improving your blood circulation to normalize your heart rate. As the flow of your blood improves and your heart rate returns to normal, you can easily prevent your blood pressure to rise to abnormal levels. Exercise, on the other hand, speeds up delivery of essential nutrients in their designated places in your body. Moving your body also decreases your stress hormones and increases production of your happy hormones, along with relaxation, which allows your body to recover. They are your basic tools to fight and overcome your stress and anxiety. Learn more by visiting the site dedicated to show you the most relevant resources on how to overcome anxiety.